Hi everybody, I hope all is good with you. My name is Masoud, English teacher, along with my friend Farid. This channel is about learning English from scratch. So if you are interested in learning English, please subscribe us and share our YouTube channel to your friends and support us with your comments and likes. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, hoping you feel well. My name is Farid and I'm here to learn English together. So let's don't waste the time and let's go.
Farid, the first lesson of this book talks about numbers.
Numbers.
Yes, and on top of the page it has written, I can understand and say numbers. Pay attention guys, during teaching you might see phrases, sentences and words like this. And you say, what do they mean? I don't understand anything. But don't worry and don't be scared, because in a foreseeable future you will be able to make sentences and you will be able to understand the meaning of all words. But today the topic is about numbers and we are gonna just talk about numbers.
Yes, only numbers.
Very good. As I said, on top of the page it has written, I can understand and say numbers. Just know that numbers mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But what's the difference between numbers and number? Numbers is the plural form of number. Number means only one number, only two, only three.
Like
Yes.
1 or 2
Yes,
or 3.
exactly, yes. But numbers mean more than one numbers. For example, two numbers together, three numbers together, and so on. For example, 2 and 6, 2, 6, 4, and 8. More than one numbers. We have two kinds of numbers. The first one is cardinal numbers, and the second one is ordinal numbers.
Yes.
Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on.
Cardinal numbers is simple numbers.
Cardinal numbers are simple numbers, something like that, yes. And ordinal numbers are first, second, third, first, and so on. In this lesson, we just want to talk about cardinal numbers, and in the future lessons we will talk about ordinal numbers. So just concentrate on cardinal numbers. Okay, let's count the numbers from 1 to 20 first.
Yes.
Repeat after me, please.
Yes.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Great, very good. Now you are able to count from 1 to 20. But
Can I have a question?
yes, please.
What's different between 20 and 20?
Okay, I will say you. That's the point that I'm gonna say now. Okay, there are some points here that I'm going to share them with you. The first point is about numbers from 13 to 19. Pay attention guys, if you have noticed, these numbers end with 10. With
10.
10, yes. That's a crucial tip, so don't underestimate it. Let's read them one more time. Please repeat after me. 13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19.
19.
Great, very good. And the second point is about 20 that you said. Yes, that's about the pronunciation of 20. You can say 20 and 20, Farid. Both of them are correct.
Both of them are correct.
Yes, both pronunciation are correct. You can say 20 and 20. Repeat after me. 20,
20,
20.
20.
Great, very good. So, before starting the numbers after 20, first let's learn how to count the big numbers. Okay, so let's do it. Repeat after me, please. 20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90.
Good job. But why did I offer to learn big numbers first? Let's make it clear. Guys, the numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90 end with T. But the numbers from 13 to 19 end with 10. Did you get the
10.
point?
Yes.
Very good. That's why I told you that's a crucial tip. Imagine someone asks you someone asks you $14,000, but you pay $40,000. So what would happen?
Yes.
Okay, you will lose much money. So take care and don't mix them up together. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. So let's resume the numbers after 20. Okay?
20.
That's easy peasy. You should just add the numbers from 1 to 9 after 20, 30, 40, and so on. Let's do it together. Repeat after me. 21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49.
49.
That's it, just like that. Was it difficult?
No, it's not difficult. It's so easy.
Yes, that's very easy. Now you are able to count from 1 to 99. But guys, there is only one point here that I'm gonna to tell you about it. It's about dash, okay? In writing, particularly in British, it's important to write dash between the numbers after 20, 30, 40, and so on. Actually we say 20-1 only in writing. We don't say 20-1, we say 21, but we write 20-1, 20-2, 30-3. Okay?
Excuse me, can I have a question?
Yes, please.
Dash or underline?
No, dash is different. Dash is different with underline. Okay, so don't mix them up together. Dash is between the numbers. Okay?
Okay.
So don't ignore it to write. Okay, let's have some more examples, Farid. How we can say 60 plus 7?
67.
Very good. Actually, we write 60-7. How we can say 80 plus 6?
86.
Very good. 90 plus 1?
91.
And 90 plus 9?
99.
Very good, very good. Thank you so much. So, time is over for today's lesson, guys. and I hope you had enjoyed the class. It was a lesson 1, part 1 of the numbers. And if you want to get more details about numbers, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't miss the future lessons. Take care and bye.
Goodbye.